It's hard to believe, but we're down to just 9 weeks before Christmas. I'm Philip Griffith here with another gift idea that adds a personal touch to your holiday giving. A photo canvas. A photo canvas is a fantastic way to turn your favorite memories into art for your home. It's not just about pictures either. You can get creative. For example, we have our family genealogy displayed on a canvas, making it a beautiful and meaningful piece for our space. Photo canvases help get those important memories off your phone or computer and onto the walls where you can enjoy them every day. The versatility of photo canvases make them an ideal gift. You can feature a single image stretched across multiple canvases for a striking effect, or create a collage of photos on one canvas. You can even layer canvases in creative ways, something that's a bit trickier to achieve with traditional framed photos. Why does this matter? Seeing those special moments and faces around your home makes a lasting impact. It's like making a constant deposit into your family's identity bank, strengthening self-esteem, security, and family bonds each time you pass those cherished images. It's a daily reminder of the people, places, and experiences that make life meaningful. Thinking about giving a photo canvas this holiday season? Reach out to me with any questions or leave a comment below. If you've created one before, I'd love to hear how you used it in your home. Remember, at PSG Photo Solutions, we're here to help you use your photos to tell your story so they'll last for generations. Let's start turning your memories into beautiful gifts that will be treasured for years to come.